arctangent x, and you just plug it in. What number give you pi over 4? That's what they're asking. They're saying, okay, pi over 4 equal to arctangent x. So can you figure out what x equal to? What would you do? Right, apply tangent to each one of them. Tangent 4 over 2 is 1, and then you want to say what? X is 1. You see that? How easy that is? So very simple. Yeah.
How do we plug a cosecant in the calculator?
Cosecant, let me see your calculator. I think it's 1 over sine. That's what you have to put it in, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So the sine theta is same as what? 1 over what? Cosecant theta. So if you want to put the cosecant, then it's same as what? 1 over sine. That's what you have to plug in. Okay. So that's that is the relationship.
Number 9.
Number 9.
With the right triangle.
Okay, number 6. Let's look at number 6 because you got to use right triangle to do it.
Yep, that's what I'm saying. It's pretty easy.
Number 6. Use the figure to write the expression algebraic form given y equal to arc cosine x where y is between 0 to pi over 2. So they're giving you, okay, this is easier for you because they already gave you right triangle. So they're telling you arc cosine x equal to this. All right, first thing I'm going to figure out what this is. Since it's arc cosine, I'm going to apply what? Cosine, right? So I'm going to say x is equal to what? Cosine y. All right. So I'm going to say, so y is right here. Oh, they wanted to find the tangent. But they already gave you this. How to find the tangent? What's the relationship with tangent? Tangent is equal to what? Opposite over what?
Adjacent.
Adjacent?
Yeah, there's one of them.
Okay, I don't have adjacent. How can I figure out my adjacent? Using a what? Pythagorean theorem?
Yes.
The Pythagorean theorem says this is the leg. I will call it A, B, C. Then you're going to say C squared is equal to what? A squared plus B squared. Right? So I'm going to say C squared is right here. So 1 squared equal to A is what? X squared. What's my B? I don't know. That's what I'm looking for. Right? So I subtract X squared. Subtract X squared. Then you get what? B squared equal to what? 1 minus X squared. I'm looking for B, so I need to do what? Square root of 1 minus what? X squared. So I just figured out what my B is. This is what.
Now you know.
So now I know what to put. It says opposite. What's my opposite? That.
Over X.
1 minus X squared. What's my adjacent? X. So that's what you got there. So this one, I don't even have to solve it, right? Because they gave you a picture. So right here, this is not necessary. I don't need to do it. All right, if they didn't give you this picture, then I need to use this. Is everybody with me?
Okay.
Let me show you. Say they didn't give me a picture. Because your exam, if I do give you a problem, I will not give you a picture. So if I give you this problem without picture, so y is equal to r cosine x. So first thing you're going to do is what you apply what? Cosine in the front. Right? And you're going to say cosine y is equal to, whoa. What happens? Cosine y equal to what? Simply x. Okay? Now you're going to draw yourself a picture. It says cosine y, so I'm gonna draw my picture. I'm gonna put that's be my y because that's my degree. Remember cosine of what? That's angle, right? Cosine of y. And he told you what cosine means. Cosine is what? Hypotenuse over what? Adjacent. By the way, you gotta remember this, otherwise you cannot do this problem. Okay, sine, let's remember.
Like, it's adjacent to the
Sine theta is what? Hypotenuse over what?
opposite of the
Opposite of hypotenuse. I'm doing the opposite, I'm writing the opposite, didn't I? So it should be. All right. So let's go over this one, just to make sure that we know. Maybe opposite hypotenuse. Cosine is what? Adjacent over what? Hypotenuse. And tangent, we talk about it right here. So you're gonna say, okay, that means that's what I have. That's same as over what? 1. So this is my what? Opposite. What is my hypothesis? Right there. That's why we get this picture.
Okay.
Are you with me, class? You're supposed to know how to get from this to get this picture. If you get this picture, then you can solve everything. Whenever you have this picture, you're gonna use what? Pythagorean theorem. Use Pythagorean theorem to find whatever leg is missing or hypotenuse is missing. All right. Why don't you guys do this one then? This one also gave you a picture. Those are one. Okay, here's one. Number 8. Giving you a picture. Why don't you do this problem? Do number 8 right now. And when you finish, look at me so I can check your work. Maybe you can come out and do the work.
Hey.
All right, if you want to volunteer already, just raise your hand. Who want to do A?
Oh, man.
Who want to do B? I'm looking for volunteers. All right, they give you a hint. Make a sketch of a right triangle.
I am.
All right, don't do the tangent first. Class, do this part first. All right, you're gonna say,
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
all right, do that first, and then figure out tangent later. This is a two problems in one thing. You gotta figure out picture first. Okay, I'm gonna do this one a little bit. So of course I will do what? Cosine in the front. So cosine y is equal to what? Square root over 2, and then cosine is the same as what? Adjacent over hypotenuse. All right, draw yourself a picture. Adjacent is square root of 2. Hypotenuse is what? 2. All right, now find. Now what? Find what?
Fine.
Tangent y. That's what that means. This actually right here telling us what? Find the tangent y. So this problem is a 2 problem. You gotta find cosine first. You need to find this missing point. You gotta find this missing point. What is my hypotenuse? All right, I'll give you this much hint. So go ahead and finish. If somebody go and finish, raise your hand if you're done. Yes. Alex, you gonna do
Why
it?
is it hypotenuse 2? Hypotenuse should be 2.
Oh, I put it wrong. Say, thank you. I put the adjacent, didn't I? Yeah, this should be what? 2. Thank you, Alex. So this is missing. This leg is missing. Good job. Alex, you wanna finish this problem? Go ahead and finish and then let me show you, then I'll look at it. Who's going to number 2? I'm a letter B. Patrick, you wanna try?
I'm trying to figure out something my calculator.
use a calculator right now?
No, I'm just saying, I'm doing other stuff, it's not showing up right when I check it.
Oh, okay, to check it, okay. So anyway, I need to figure this one out. X, how would you find my X? Somebody tell me how to find this X. That's right. Jennifer, I think you're ready to do something?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, go ahead.
Good job. It's okay. No, you don't click anything. It writes really well. Your hand doesn't get dirty either.
So this, okay, so this is gonna be.
Yeah, find the X first.
Okay. So, wait, it's right here?
Mhm.
So,
Ah. Gosh.
wait, I can't, wait.
You got it.
You got it.
Put A,
This is-
to the X,
Oh.
yeah. A square. Yeah, good job. Mhm.
So, minus this whole thing, what I do that?
Yeah, what is that equal to?
Oh, okay. This,
Yeah, that's just the, what, raise this on, that's your raise. And then push back. What you see here? 2,
2?
yeah.
Okay. And then just minus, what is it, 4?
Right, right. Very good. Okay,
And that's good.
good job.
So, would you leave it as the square root of 2?
Yes, definitely, definitely, yeah. So finish it, so you put the square root of 2A there. Okay, and take this one out too. There's this part, that's not what's in there. Okay, so now find me a tangent y. Because you got it, tangent is what, opposite over adjacent? So finish up right here. So tangent y equal to,
Tangent is equal to opposite over adjacent, so it's gonna be 2 over the square root of 2.
yes, which is equal to?
1.
Yes. Great.
Good.
Woo, awesome. Okay. Is everybody with me? Who's gonna be the next brave heart?
Now,
Cassie, okay.
That's so messy.
Alright. Cassie, you got more, little more work to do, because you gotta start from the arc side. Okay. Okay, when you come back from Thanksgiving, that's pretty much what we're gonna do. We're gonna do review problems, I do some and you do some,
okay.
okay? Because we're not learning anything that new now, so you can come out and do your work too. Like we all be a what? Working together. We're not like one person's instructor, but we all working together. Good job. Good job. Good job. Good job. Cosine y, cosine y. Good job. Very good. Very good. Thank you. Is everybody with me now? Are we all good? We can do probably 2 more problems. This is 10:40. Does everybody understand? So what Kirsty did is like, you know what? I already know when I apply arc the sine over here, I will get what? sine equal to this number, whatever the number that is. So she's just like, let's just skip that inverse part because I already know what that is. When you apply inverse, you get a sine y equal to which number, whatever this argument is. 513. For this case was what? Cosine y equal to what? Square root over 2 over 2. Are you with me, class? So just because we already know, we just skip the first step. When you apply this, when you apply inverse, this is what you get. And then you get this. So work out a lot shorter because you skip the inverse part. Same thing. There's a derivative. There's derivative. So derivative is actually much easier than antiderivative. That's what we're going to do Monday. So who want to do some derivative problems? Well, the answer is already there, but still, I want to see it. All right. Number 12. I want you to write down what u is and u prime is equal to. What you gonna do? Ms. Johnson, you wanna try it? Take an antiderivative. Derivative of this. Wanna try? Okay, that's fine. Who wanna try next one?
This.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, number 12. So tell me what u and u prime is, and then tell me also what. Write down the formula, and then tell me what u is and u prime is.
I shall be prepared.
Good job. Very good. The square root. Awesome. Okay, since it's cosecant, I need to have a what sign? If it's arcsecant, I have a positive. If it's cosecant, then I have what?
Negative.
Negative in the front? Yes, right. Because negative and negative will cancel. Remember, you have a negative in here, and the negative sign, you get a positive. Okay.
She said, where they get two?
Where they get two from?
Because you will cancel out 14 divided by 2. Okay. All right.
Two.
So you put negative and negative 72. Good job. You got it. So start with F prime. That's a huge one. I don't want the huge one. Correct. So start with F prime T. Good job. And then the regular one first. All right, and then just write down your formula. Formula is negative. Don't forget you already have negative in the front. You got to have another one. Remember negative 14 is u prime? Yeah, great, you got it. All right. Good job. Negative 17 squared. All right. Good job. Average between square, yeah, right, yes. Awesome. Almost done.
Let's go into what you said.
Right. So you have a 2. Okay, you still have a 1t left. This is 1t and this is t squared. So you still have 1t. All right, great. And then 7, 49. 7 squared is 49, that's right. You know how many now? 4, good. Awesome. Very good. Does everybody see that she didn't skip any step? This is what I want. When you take your exam, when you do your homework, I need to see it.
I write that down.
Yeah, you read. So everybody see it? This T and that T cancel out, you get one of them left.
Oh.
Absolute value of -7 is the same as what? 7. So that's why 7 and 14 cancel out to be what? Only 2. Is everybody with me?